Paul writes, I have an issue with bending over the steering wheel to go into your storage bin. That's why I'm getting the Sea-Doo. Okay, so that's a very good question. It's kind of a complaint that a lot of people have, and especially considering what Sea-Doo has offered people with the center storage, it kind of offers a superior option. And here's my complaint is I normally don't need to store that much stuff in the front. And if I do, I often don't need to access it on the water. What I access on the water is maybe a bottle of sunscreen, maybe a bottled water, maybe my wallet, which I keep in a little dry box, keys, phone, wallet, that kind of stuff. Or GoPro cameras, because I'm filming, because I have to make content for you monsters. Because it's a bucket with no bottom I keep pouring water into. And a lot of folks are like, I love the center storage. I'm like, yeah, the center storage is great. All right. It's very convenient. It makes life easy. But it comes at the cost of what I consider to be singularly the worst runabout hull that I have had the displeasure of testing since the Honda F12. It's a long time ago. It was like 06, 07. So that's one thing. Number two is that there's no glove box. And don't tell me there's a glove box. There's no glove box. It is a tiny little cubby that barely holds a small smartphone, and you can barely cram anything else in there, like a wallet, or if you have one of those like money clips, credit card money clips, you have no room in that damn thing. All right. That glove box is insulting. All right. Yamaha's glove box, I can shove my giant head in my giant pink melon inside of that glove box. It's so damn big. It is monstrous. And now it's lit. It's literally got USB lights and a plug, and it's rubberized. And if you spill something in there, you can pull the whole rubberized boot out and clean it off and put it in. And it's super useful. And I got to give it to Yamaha on this one. Everyone thinks I'm anti-Yamaha. And I'm like, I just really got to give it to Yamaha. I'm like, dude, the FX is the ultimate. The FX is the ultimate Yamaha full-size runabout. The current FX is the best iteration I've seen of a full-size Yamaha runabout. It is. Do I wish it was available without sound? Heavens, yes. Do I wish that they had more of a racy seat that was more of a performance seat? Yes. Do I wish that there was better quality control and build quality? Absolutely. But I am telling you, I love the FX. What do you mean you lost your wallet? Was it that big that it just like disappeared in there? Or did it fly out? They did have a terrible latch for a while, and then they got a really good rubberized latch that I thought was really good in it. So I'll give you that. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.